Hi, welcome back. In this video, we will learn about how to visualize data in Excel. To visualize our data in Excel, we will use different charts that is already available in Excel. To insert a chart, we will first go to this insert option. After clicking on, we find that there is an option chart and it has different multiple chart options available. If you can see here, it is in pie chart and donut chart. There are line chart, area chart, then again statistical charts, then hierarchical charts. So let's create a new chart by clicking on this column and bar chart, and we will select the first option, that is cluster column chart. But before that, we will select our data. After selecting this data, click here. Now you see we have a chart available. Let's make it big so that we can understand about this. So this chart is being created by brand level. So this is a particular brand, Canon, and these chart, these bars show you the different countries like Canada, South Korea, Japan, Mexico, US. You can identify it by the colors. The same for Casio, Fuji, Nikon, Olympus, and so on. That was all for this video.